Papa Bear.
Skating.
Lulu is very good at roller skating. She is zooming around the rink.
Daddy and Mommy, look at me. I am a rocket. Zoom!
Look at her go, Daddy Bear. She learns everything so quickly. Yesterday it was the dinosaur puzzle, and today she is a skating rocket.
Yes, and she is very serious about it, too. She has a very clever and focused little brain.
Daddy, it is so much fun in here. Come and skate with me, Daddy.
Oh, an invitation from a fast rocket? How can I refuse?
Yay, let's go.
Now Daddy Bear is ready to join Lulu on the rink.
Daddy, you are so good at skating. Did you always know how to do it? Did you ever fall down?
Ho, goodness me, yes. When I was a little bear, I fell all the time. My legs used to wobble just like Grandma's caramel pudding. I remember one autumn day, I tried to do a super fast spin, but I spun too fast. I went zooming right off the path and landed exactly in a giant pile of crunchy leaves.
Wow, was it fun?
Ho! Well, I must admit, the crunching sound was very satisfying. But it was not very fun for Grandpa Bear. He had to spend an hour picking leaves out of my fur.
Daddy Bear, Lulu, it is time to come back.
Yes, Mommy, the rocket is returning to base.
Mummy Bear has spread a picnic blanket on the green grass.
Roller skating is a very good exercise, but it makes you very hungry.
That is why I have packed a lovely picnic for us.
This apple is very sweet and juicy. Mommy,
Food always tastes so much better when you have been working hard and playing outside.
You are quite right, Daddy Bear. Fresh air makes the best seasoning.
Everyone loves a picnic after a busy day.
A gentle walk is the perfect way to use my new sandwich fuel.
The picnic is finished. The Lulu's family is going for a lovely walk in the park.
look at the ground, Mummy. Our shadows are very long today.
Yes, they are, Lulu. That is because the sun is going down. When the sun is low in the sky, it stretches our shadows all the way out in front of us.
Indeed, look at my shadow. It is so tall, it looks like I am walking on giant stilts. With legs that long, I could probably walk all the way home in just 3 big steps.
1, 2, 3. We would be home very fast. But I like walking slowly with you and Mummy.
And we like walking slowly with you, Lulu.
It is a beautiful evening for a quiet walk.
Movie theater. I love the cinema.
When I was a little bear, movies were just in black and white.
Just black and white? Like a penguin?
Yes, like a penguin.
Oh. But Nana, how can a movie be good without any pretty colors?
Oh, they were wonderful, Lulu. Because there were no colors to distract you, you had to pay very close attention to the story.
I think a world without color might be a bit boring.
It is time to go in. Follow me, everyone.
Everyone sits down. The seats are very soft and bouncy.
I like these seats.
Sit well, Lulu. The movie is about to start.
The lights in the cinema go down.
is flying so fast? There is no air in space. How does Super Space Bear breathe?
That is a very clever question, Lulu. Look at his spaceship. It has thick walls and doors that shut very tightly. It keeps all the fresh air trapped inside, like a giant safe bubble. Just like how we filled this giant bucket with popcorn before we came in.
Oh, so the spaceship is like a big fish bowl, but instead of water for fish, it holds air for bears.
That is a brilliant way to think about it, Lulu.
The loud sound wakes Grandpa Bear up.
Goodness me! Did someone leave the front door open? It is getting drafty.
Go back to sleep, Grandpa Bear. All the doors are shut tight.
All right. I have done it! Hooray!
Hooray! He made it!
The movie finishes. The lights in the cinema come back on.
What a fantastic film. I didn't miss a single minute.
Oh, Grandpa, you are very good at watching movies with your eyes closed. Well, that was a wonderful film. What was your favorite part, Lulu?
I like the giant space jelly. It looks like a turtle shell to hold the air. What was your favorite part, Grandpa? The dark room?
Ho, no, Lulu. My favorite part was the deep, rumbling sound of the rocket engine. It was incredibly soothing. Very good for the imagination.
Yes, Grandpa Bear, your Imagine was snoring very loudly.
Everyone loves the cinema. Lulu and her family are sitting at the dining table. Now it is time for dessert.
I have made a special caramel jelly pudding for everyone.
It looks wonderful, dear.
Ooh, look at it move! It is dancing! It wobbles just like the giant space jelly in the movie.
You are quite right, Lulu. But this jelly is not from space.
It is from Grandma's oven.
Daddy Bear said, "Excellent wobble. Perfect golden color. Now for the taste test."
It is soft, sweet, and has a hint of vanilla. 5 stars, Grandma Bear!
It really is delicious. What is your secret, Grandma Bear? Well, you must stir the milk and eggs very gently, like this. Stir, stir, stir. And the most important ingredient is patience. You must let it cool down so it can do its wobbly dance.
I am glad you had patience, Grandma. This is the best pudding ever.
I also have a lot of patience. In fact, I am patiently waiting to see if anyone wants their second slice. If not, the pudding expert is ready to help.
I think the pudding expert has had enough for today, Daddy Bear. We must save some for tomorrow.
Ho, Daddy Bear's tummy is going to wobble like the pudding soon.
Thanks for watching. If you had fun with Lulu today, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more fun videos for you. My lovely friends, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!